Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the mean of the following data is 25.3, find the value of x. So to find the mean of group data, we'll need to find the class mark of each class. We will call it mi. So for first class it is 10 plus 0 by 2, which is 5. For second class 10 plus 20 by 2, which is 15. For third it is 25. For fourth it is 35. And for last it is 45. So these are the class marks. We know mean of grouped data is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, where fi is class frequency and xi, instead of xi we can write mi, which is class mark of each class. So let's first calculate summation of fi, that is total number of samples. So total number of samples is x plus 17 plus 27 is 44. 44 plus 24 is 68, and 68 plus 20 is 88. So 88 plus x is fi. So mean will be equal to, let's see, fi mi. So 24 multiplied by 5 plus 20 multiplied by 15 plus 25x plus 17 multiplied by 35 plus 45 multiplied by 27 whole divided by x plus 88. Now average, that is mean, is given as 25.3. So 25.3 equal to 24 5s are 120, 15 2s are 30, so this is 300 plus 25x, 17 5s are 85, 17 3s are 51 plus 8 is 59, so 595. Now 27 5s are 135, 27 4s are 108, so last answer is 1215 whole divided by x plus 88. Now to get the value of x, we'll simply need to cross multiply. So 25.3x plus 88 into 25.3 equal to summation of all these, which is 120 plus 300 is 420. Now 420 plus, let's see, 1215 plus 595 is 5 plus 5 10, 9 plus 2 11, 5 plus 3 8, and then 1 plus 420 will be, let's see, that will be 0 3 2 3 2 2, so 2 2 3 0. So let me remove this. 2230 plus 25x equal to, now 25.3 multiplied by 88, will have to perform this multiplication. 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24 plus 2 is 26, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40 plus 4 is 44, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17, so 4 6 2 2 2. So we get decimal point will be here. We get 25.3x plus 2226.4 equal to 2230 plus 25x. So we'll take the x terms together. We get 25.3x minus 25x equal to 2230 minus 2226.4. So we get 0.3x equal to this will be 3.6. So from here we get x equal to 12. So frequency in 20 to 30 class is 12. This is the answer.